Onfinity, level up your CNC game, the local way. This video shows you why Onfinity crushes the competition, both the international giants and even some local players. First, international companies. We gotta hand it to those international companies, especially the Germans, Italians, and Chinese. They're seriously skilled. But here's the thing, they have advantages like in-house manufacturing that we don't. That's where Onfinity swoops in. We get you. We're Algerian just like you. We know your needs and how much every dinar counts. Plus, we're right here, not some faceless corporation overseas. 1. Prices that won't break the bank. Those international companies, everything's in dollars, even chewing gum. So their machines cost a fortune, even if they're decent. At Onfinity, you get the same quality for way less, like way less. Think 4 times cheaper. 2. Fast delivery, no drama. Getting machines from international companies can be a total drag. Shipping delays, political stuff, you might as well wait for the next season of your favorite show to arrive. With Onfinity, we're local, so there are no such hassles. So, the Onfinity bonus compared to foreign companies. Killer prices, super fast delivery, supporting Algerian businesses. Basically, we respect the competition, but we're way better for you. Onfinity is proudly Algerian, offering top-notch products at epic prices. Here for you, listening to your needs, and all about making you happy. Second, local companies. Let's talk about some local companies. Forget the shady stuff some of them pull. They just take parts from other countries, slap on a Made in Algeria sticker, and call it a day. Not cool, and definitely not transparent for you, the customer. Onfinity does it different. We're a real Algerian company, designing, building, and putting together our CNC machines right here at home. This means major wins for you. Count with me if you can. 1. Spare parts on speed dial. We control production, so no waiting for parts when you need them most. 2. Lightning fast support. Got a problem? We fix it in a jiffy. No waiting weeks for some supplier to answer their phone. 3. Prices that won't make you cry. We control costs, so you get awesome CNC machines without breaking the bank. 4. Always innovating. We invest big time in research and development to bring you the latest and greatest machines. 5. Built to last. We control every step of manufacturing, so your machines are rock solid. 6. Customizable like crazy. We tailor machines to your specific needs for maximum productivity. 7. Customer service that rocks. We're always here for you, ready to answer your questions and help you out. 8. Local pride boost. Choose Onfinity and support the Algerian economy while showing off Algerian expertise. Upgrade to Onfinity today because we're real Algerian manufacturers, not some assembly line. We control the whole process, from design to assembly. We offer top quality CNC machines at killer prices. We're responsive, innovative, and all about your success. We're proud to contribute to the growth of the Algerian economy. We're super fast. We're the best. Onfinity, your 100% Algerian CNC partner.